Seer Tax is revolutionizing the way corporate income tax is prepared. Seer Tax, the cost-effective way to complete your corporate income tax returns.
Seer Tax. This looks interesting. I would like to know more about how Seer Tax can save us money and simplify our tax return preparation. Seer, you are telling me we can save 50% or more on our tax return preparation. How is that possible?
Automation. We are using state-of-the-art tax software that automatically computes complex tax calculations and populates tax return forms.
Okay, so if all the complex tax calculations and form populations are automated, it must be fast.
Absolutely. We can prepare a draft of your tax returns for your review within a day.
It sounds like Seer Tax is similar to an accounting firm's outsourcing service. What's the difference?
Let me explain. Accounting firms request your data, process and review your tax returns, and deliver a draft of the tax returns to you. They also advise you on your tax position and revise tax returns upon your review. Then, they sign your tax returns as preparer and e-file them on your behalf. Seer Tax does not provide any tax advice or sign your return. Our automated process gives you the ability to perform these tasks.
Aha. How can I review the draft tax return so I know the numbers are accurate?
Instead of waiting until the returns are drafted, you will have access to the tax returns in real time.
Wow. I will have access throughout the return process.
Yes. As you provide portions of data throughout the tax return preparation process, you will see the data being processed so there are no surprises at the end.
Fantastic. That means I can give you portions of data and I can see the results right away.
Yes. Most companies do not have all the data needed readily available. It is important that you review the returns as they are being processed.
You mentioned Section 163J, GILTI, subpart F, and foreign tax credit. Are these calculations done automatically?
Yes, they are performed automatically. It requires specific datasets, and we will guide you throughout the process as to what data is needed.
Okay, I was just wondering how I can review such complex calculations.
As we process these calculations, we will walk you through the reports so you can validate the accuracy of the results. Our reports also have code and regulation references, so you can check the regulatory authorities for our calculations.
Awesome. Can I have our advisors from accounting firms review the calculations too?
Absolutely. You can give them access to our online portal so they can review the reports and returns with you.
Can we still achieve a 50% savings even if we hire an accounting firm for review?
Of course you can. The most time-consuming and costly parts of tax return preparation are calculating complex tax items manually, populating tax forms, and checking them one at a time, and solving e-filing issues at the very end of the return process. Seer Tax can provide savings from these processes. You can spend the savings any way as you wish.
Brilliant. Let's work together.
Sign up for a free quote at www.seertax.com.